Yo, what it do, what it does, family? It's your boy Chop Plug, man. And I know I've been MIA for the past, what, 2 months now, man. I've been sleeping. But I'm back. I had to reconfigure myself, you know what I'm saying? Emotionally, you know what I'm saying? Physically, I'm a bit stronger, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's that has nothing to do with why I took a break though, you know what I'm saying? I just felt like I wanted to just cool off, and just basically reassemble my mind myself before I give you guys all this fire content. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're gonna jump straight to it. We're gonna do DXY, hit up Euro USD, gold, and UJ. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's go. So I have this dollar index chart right here. So I have this chart right here, and if you guys see that, and if you guys see clearly, around the 95.3 region, which is around somewhere here, price is being rejected. As you can see, for the past 3 weeks, that price was rejecting. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, is I expect price, to still to continue falling. So what that means is, as the dollar index falls, I expect the dollar to fall, which means every currency here against the dollar to rise. So basically, Euro USD to go up, gold to go up, USD JPY to go down. So now let me show you what I'm talking about. So basically, I think we're gonna hit up the daily. The weekly is showing me rejection given by those wicks there, and the daily is just giving me a double top, which will be properly seen in the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? So basically, let me show you guys how to trade a double top based on just. So let me wait for it to load. I can internet be this slow, bruh. Like, bruh, man, this is super slow. I'm telling you, man. Nah. I can't survive, bruh. If it's gonna be this slow, okay. So check this out, right? I'm gonna draw my counter trend line. So after drawing this counter trend line, you see how so we have this double top right here, and the neckline of this double top is just is here is here. This area is the neckline for the double top. You know what I'm saying? So what I expect price to do is price broke that double top during NFP. Look at that big nice candle. So I can expect price to retest it. Probably it did retest, but from now on I expect more shorts, right? So question is where are we going to? So I'm gonna pull out my price range item, a price range tool, measure that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm measuring from the top up until my neckline. Then I basically drag it down here because I expect price to also move the same distance. So basically from the neckline up until my target, which is around the 92 or 92.9 region for the dollar currency index. But let me take it now to Euro USD, what that means, right? You know what I'm saying? Let me show you what that means. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so check that out. Let me wait for it to load, man. Useless internet. Useless internet. Useless. Okay, that's it. All right. Okay, let's go. All right. So I have this zoom out, nigga. So I have this nice double bottom right here. Okay, not double bottom, but this nice support right here. I don't care if price is. I mean, if the net is still loading. So check this out. So the thing is, you know how you can have a double bottom within a double bottom. Check this out. So we have this big structure, big fall down, followed by a retracement back up there. You know what I'm saying? Followed by that nice fall down, followed by hopefully to expect another retracement going back up here. So I'm not saying this is the target. Nah. Let's get the target using the same method that I used in the dollar currency index. in the dollar, whatever. So yeah, um, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did, which is I'm gonna get that price range thing. This is our neckline. Neckline is like the pivot for the M or for the W. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take that distance, drag it from the top here to there. So basically, if you look at that, that's actually around this region right here. If I was to get my okay, now screw the fib, sorry about that. But yeah, I can expect price to come this high, and that's if only and only if price breaks this neckline right here, which is, and only if price breaks my neckline right here, then yes, that's when I can expect it to go up there. You know what I'm saying? And let me show you another W within a W. You know what I'm saying? So let me clear everything. Look at this. I have a I have a I have this W, which is the double bottom. Mind you, I'm only trading. I'm not putting no other strategy. I'm just trading double bottoms the way we were taught, man. You know, from these forex schools and everything. Okay, so check this out. For this pair, my neckline is actually here. What is going on? Yeah, this is my neckline. This is my neckline here. So I can expect maybe price to retest here before continuing going up, right? You know what I'm saying? But the question is how far are we going, right? So I can just say Euro USD longs up until, so I'm gonna get to the neckline, to that bottom, then I'm gonna drag, sorry, then I'm gonna drag this to the top. Yeah. Mm, I can expect, Euro USD to rise up until the 1.191 region. That's around 170 pips away from right now. So basically around this region right here. Yeah, somewhere around here. You know what I'm saying? But which means it will come back and then just shoot up there. That's what I believe. And if we ever reach this point, then this would mean we would have completed our double bottom. So once we get our retest, I mean the double bottom, the bigger double bottom. So once we get our retest back to that neckline of the bigger double bottom, price is gonna shoot up. I am telling you, man. I'm telling you. USD JPY. USD JPY. We here live in effect. First thing we do is y'all see that resistance. You know what I'm saying? And then followed by my counter trend line. As long as we are on this side of the trend line, I don't think we should have any issues. Once we break this trend line, oh my god, it's free for all down, all the way down, right? Okay, now let's analyze some more. Okay, all right, there we go. Yeah, I'm about to show you guys something. Check this out. You see how this little upward movement, because to me, right, to me to me, right, this outer trend line, oh my god, I don't know why my trend line likes doing this outer trend line, yeah, this outer trend line is very, very, very important, very, very, very important, right? Once we break it, oh my god, we out of here. I tell you guys, we are out, we are out. Okay, so basically check this out. So we have price broke this upward movement. It broke it at this point. You see how when price went to retest, it actually came back to where it broke, but never passed that high. You know what I'm saying? It kept that high and then it decided to make a lower low. You know what I'm saying? But not yet. So what I can expect price to do is price is gonna break this sort of like this dynamic support here. Gonna break it. We are gonna have a nice a nice young downfall to around this region just around here. I am telling you guys. The reason why I'm saying that is because of the weak USD, and let me show you something on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame closed. Okay, let me remove all of these drawings. This looks like a shooting star, right? Is it a shooting star? It's an inverted hammer, but there's a nice way to call it. I think it's morning star and evening star dojis. So yes, yeah, it's a shooting star. I'm talking about the previous candle or last week's candle, which is this one. This is a shooting star. So I can expect price to go down, but only when we pass that kind of trend line that I had there. You remember that kind of trend line that I had? Yeah, only once we pass that kind of trend line, then we can expect price to start going down. Coolios, right? Um, what else? Oh yeah, gold. Sorry. Para pa 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 para pa 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 para pa. All right, gold time frame. I mean, I said, did I say gold time frame? I meant to say gold weekly time frame. I'm gonna draw that trend line. Mm, Sexy. Draw that trend line. I'll draw this. Okay, so I have this nice resistance. I chose this point, this point. You see how price respected this area, and also this area is actually a nice support, by the way. So there's so many confluences as to price may actually start surging up. You know why? Check this out. Low, high, right? And then higher low, but then the same high. Same high as this previous one. Then we're going to make a higher low. So I can expect maybe for it to now break it the third time breaking this to we may even reach what the 1400s, but basically I expect price to keep on making a higher low and a higher high. But I now expect a higher high actually. Okay, let me not say price has been making higher highs. Prices has been making the same high. So I expect price to make a higher high now. Yes, so that's what I wanted to say before y'all start bashing me. So reason why last week we closed, very, very, very bullish as you know what I'm saying? So when you get to the daily candle, it's the daily candle. It's the daily candle. All right. You see how price reacted when it immediately reached my trend line, which is down here. Shut up, shut up. Right. So let's analyze. Let's analyze this baby. Okay, let's analyze what can we expect for gold. Mm, mhm, mhm, mhm. This looks like a nice bearish flag. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this looks like a nice bearish flag, which was the second time I make this video, by the way, because I made the first video, it didn't save my audio. Damn it. All right, so I have this upward movement followed by this bearish flag. So as long as this support holds, guys, as long as the support holds, I can expect price to make even higher highs to even reach 1280, and that's if the support holds, right? That's if the support holds. But also again, this the safest buying area would be once this trend line is broken by price. That's what I'll say is the safest buying area. But anyway, to make decisions for now, as of now, I expect price to shoot up, to be honest, because of the weak USD also. And check this out. You see how we broke out of the bearish flag, came to retest it, and we have never broken that low. Or should I say we've never broken my support. So what if the support can still hold? We are gonna shoot up. And then I have something really, really, really interesting for you guys. And disclaimer: do not try this at home, and do not even work with the 15-minute time frame. Now you see how more clear it is once you put the 15-minute time frame. Not saying it's wise to use the 15-minute time frame. I never said that. I never said that. I hate the 15-minute time frame, but sometimes you gotta incorporate it in your trading. Cause yeah. So you see how this bearish flag, we broke out, came to retest, went up, came to retest again, and still didn't break this support. So as long as the support holds, guys, we are gonna shoot up. And then let me show you guys something that's very interesting. It's very interesting that you guys can probably make a decision based on. Check this out. We have a symmetrical triangle. So now we all know symmetrical triangles indicate trend continuation. So I think I believe maybe 1 or 2 hours after the market opens, we will get our clear direction as to whether we are going up or down. Because once we break to the upside, we go. To the downside, oh, we go. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, that's my goal analysis. You know what I'm saying? Just keep in tech. I'll send these photos, to the Telegram channel. And then let's check out what type of or what kind of new news we should expect, this coming week. Now, I think first things, let me change my time. Oh, flip, let me change my time. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I want to change my time is because I've realized that my time looks like it's GMT -6, meaning my time zone has changed. So now the time is completely different. So I want to really change that back to oh, it's -5 by the way. So I want to get it to +2. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, why is it saying it's 9 when it's 8? I think it's the daylight saving thing. Let's see what we got. Hey man, off. Yeah, yeah. There we go. All right. Okay, so news. Okay, we have Japanese news whereby Kuroda will be speaking. We also have the ish man, the euro. Man, Draghi will be speaking. And you know what Draghi does to the markets. But yeah, bullish euro. I'm telling you, bullish euro. Man, I want the euro to be bullish. GBP, we got that. These are normal every week news, so that's all good. They're not really that high impact, to be honest. But okay. Oh, it's Canadian dollar. We have that overnight rate. So it's the interest rate. So it's gonna be leading on Wednesday. It's gonna be nice. GBP currently speaks. You draggy. Yes, it's gonna be a really volatile Wednesday. What do you got on a Thursday? Thursday we have okay, okay, USD CPI. Maybe Thursday is gonna be a nice day for the USD. Maybe the USD may react then. Friday nothing. All right, family. Please like, share, subscribe, share with your family these videos, man. We're trying to eat, man. And let me show you guys one thing. I'm back. I'm back, and I ain't taking stories, and I ain't taking um. Okay, I forgot what I'm to say, but love you guys, family. Stay subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, man, do everything. We back. I'm telling you, we back. CPFX, I'm out.